The Ultra Mainnet is live, Pomelo seeds are dropping, the second Eden trial election is upon us, and much more. Hello EOS Nation, I'm Daniel Keys, and this is episode 109 of the EOS Hot Sauce. As always, our spicy weekly updates are available in every format. You can watch on YouTube, listen on your favorite podcast platform, or read it at eosnation.io. That's also where you can subscribe to the EOS Nation newsletter to get that spicy sauce poured straight into your inbox. However you prefer it, help spread the sauce by smashing the like, subscribing, and ringing the bell. Let's get to this week's spicy goodness. The Ultra Mainnet is live, and EOS Nation is proud to have taken part in this momentous event. As the Ultra team so eloquently put in the latest Ultra publication, this launch represents the evolution of Ultra's concepts and ideas into something that we hope will have far-reaching impact on the entire industry. We're eager to jump into the network to experience the Ultra Games platform firsthand. However, it's important to note the difference between the Ultra Mainnet, which is live now, and the Ultra Games platform, which has not yet been released. Here's a short breakdown of the different components that make up the Ultra ecosystem. The Ultra Mainnet, or Ultra Network, is the blockchain network. EOS is the native token of the Ultra Mainnet, and Ultra Games is the gaming platform for users, influencers, and developers. The Ultra Games platform is still in closed beta for testing, and no public launch date has been announced yet. We look forward to trying out the platform alongside our community as soon as we can, and can't wait to see what the Ultra team of over 60 plus devs has in store for us. Until then, we recommend fans of Ultra sign up to their newsletter to stay up to date on all the latest developments via the ultra.io website. Speaking of newsletter subscriptions, the first batch of Pomelo Finny NFTs have been distributed to our earliest Pomelo.io subscribers, and the community is getting excited to fund their favorite EOS projects. But what's the story behind the Pomelo name anyway? Why did we choose that juicy fruit to symbolize our new EOS crowdfunding platform? We recently asked our community on Twitter to share their ideas. Our favorite answer came from Twitter user Jeff P., who said the following: "The pomelo tree needs a lot of care, and adequate sunlight ensures that the tree remains healthy. It can adapt to various types of soil, however requires constant watering. The sunlight symbolizes the idea of people's shares to the community. The soil represents different group projects' contributions to the community. The water refers to funds from EOS-based projects. Overall, each factor is vital, and if we remove one, the pomelo tree will not be fruitful and juicy as it is." Twitter user Lurkson speculated that pomelo is a grapefruit-tangerine hybrid, maybe means crowdfunding plus quadratic voting, while Chloe Arnaud kept it simple, stating that it was because pomelos has EOS letters in it. The Hat showed off his knowledge of the Chinese language, stating that the pomelo is the progenitor of the grapefruit. Grapefruit is what the Chinese call EOS because EOS sounds like the Chinese word for grapefruit. MRAD showed some love by stating that pomelo is the largest of the citrus fruit family, and like pomelo is growing bigger and has more health benefits. It's also sweeter. By giving love to the projects you like, they will grow big like pomelos. We're really impressed by the creativity of our Twitter community, and these answers do a great job capturing the reasons we chose Pomelo as the brand name for the crowdfunding platform. To highlight the origin of the Pomelo platform, we're announcing the first drop in our small promotional Pomelo NFT collection. The Pomelo seeds are now available on Atomic Hub for 0.25 EOS each. Make sure to tune into the EOS Hot Sauce next week to learn more about Pomelo and collect new NFTs. We'll feature another element of the Pomelo crowdfunding platform each week and accompany it with a unique Pomelo-themed NFT drop created by our .gems NFT studio. All primary revenue generated by the Pomelo NFT collection will be donating as matching funds for Pomelo's first round of grants. What element will we reveal next week? Place your guesses in the comments. The second Eden trial election is almost here. On July 17th, members of the EOS and Eden communities will be coming together for a second Eden test run, and we want you to participate. Signing up and participating is very easy. You don't have to be an inducted member of the Eden on EOS community, and there are no EOS donations required to join either. All you need to do is join the public Eden on EOS Telegram group and post a message saying you want to join the trial election. From there, you'll be added to the Eden Election Demo Telegram group and given a link to the sign-up form for the trial election. The current budget of 2,500 EOS will be distributed to elected representatives who successfully navigate this second trial election. The first trial election ended up funding the EOS PowerUp.io platform, and we look forward to seeing how the wisdom of the EOS crowd will manifest itself in the second trial run. As a little extra motivation to join, our .gems NFT studio will be producing and sending some I participated non-transferable NFTs to all EOS members who participated in this trial election. The Clarion project is another one of Dan Larimer's latest inventions. Having gained experience from BitShare, Steam, EOS, and Voice, Dan Larimer is convinced that blockchains are not logically decentralized and is therefore focused on building Clarion OS, which is a new decentralized network. Clarion, a social media app on Clarion OS, would enable users to enjoy more freedom. Clarion works by enabling users' computers to broadcast messages using free resources from neighboring computers without a central server. It works like IPFS, but unlike IPFS, Clarion will not have the need for nodes to be kept online in order to seed content. It would create a free way to push content with much lower latency and better multi-user interaction, and hence a far better user experience. Clarion is still in the early stage of development. If you want to learn more or contribute, you can watch the Crypto Apologist video, read the report from the crypto writer, and consult the Clarion GitHub page. You can find links to all those in the written edition of this episode. Flair Dapp is the world's first social competition Dapp that went live on EOS on July 2nd. If you've been searching for a decentralized talent show hosted on a user-rewarding social media platform, search no more. Flair is finally here. On Flair, users can compete with others to win daily prizes ranging from $100 to $1,000. Flair is for users who want to compete in various categories and users who just want to enjoy watching the contests and supporting their favorites by voting. The Dapp is pretty simple to use. All you have to do is choose a category, upload an edited video, pay an entry fee ranging from $0 to $100, and then get people to vote for you. The post with the most votes wins. One of the best features of Flair is how cleverly it automates and decentralizes the voting process. The votes are recorded on the EOS blockchain, and this provides state-of-the-art accountability, transparency, and integrity to the process. Flair isn't recording the votes themselves, nor does it employ any centralized third party. It's all done publicly on the EOS blockchain. Learn more about Flair on their website. Chainflux is another one of the recent companies leveraging EOSIO to create real-world solutions. Their flagship product, Shine, uses a private blockchain based on EOSIO and a proof-of-authority consensus system to offer more integrity and transparency to supply chains by enabling them to incorporate product traceability and source of verification metrics. Shine assigns certain authority to network gatekeepers, such as regulatory bodies, through this proof-of-authority consensus algorithm. Shine was built after Chainflux's collaborative research with regulators in India's Gold and Policy Center. During the research, Chainflux team discovered how blockchains could help India's gold marketplace by reducing illegal flow and improving the reputation of legitimate dealers. With insights gained from its research, Chainflux developed Shine, a software-as-a-service-based traceability solution built on EOSIO designed for the following industries: agriculture, sustainability, and precious metals investment. You can find more information about Chainflux in the written edition of this episode. The extremely popular NFT collection, Street Fighter, is coming back to Wax for Season 2 on July 15th, and the team has teased some new crafting recipes that will result in some stunning and animated designs. Make sure to visit the Street Fighter homepage for all the details about packs, designs, and new crafting recipes. Some of these designs are truly breathtaking, such as the beautiful animated KO and Collector's Edition NFTs. Speaking of popular Wax NFT collections, the Uplift World, an NFT multiplayer universe powered by Minecraft, airdropped 1 million Yoshi coins to the Wax blockchain to everyone holding a small group of closely affiliated NFTs in their wallets on May 27th. These Yoshi coins give holders the ability to receive random monthly NFTs. Yoshi coin holders can subscribe to a lifetime membership by combining 2 or 30 Yoshi coins into Black or Platinum membership NFTs. This membership would give you 6 tiers of random, high-quality music, media, and art NFTs airdropped into your Wax wallet every month. By buying more Yoshi coins, users level up more premium membership categories. The Yoshi coin is also a passive miner. This means that you could mine Upliftium by connecting your Minecraft account to the Wax account that is holding your Yoshi coin. Upliftium is the in-game medium of exchange for the Uplift World. The Yoshi Drop NFT series is also committed to making the Wax blockchain greener and proving that it can be better than carbon neutral by embarking on a quest to produce oxygen perpetually by funding the planting of trees in collaboration with the carbonfund.org. Learn more about the Uplift World and Yoshi Drops in the written edition of this episode. And that's all for this week's episode. Do you have a story you'd like to see featured in a future episode of the EOS Hot Sauce? Let us know about it. As our community knows, we never accept any type of compensation for including projects or topics in the EOS Hot Sauce. The only way to get featured in the EOS Hot Sauce is by having a project on EOS, Wax, or Ultra that the EOS Nation team thinks is valuable to the network. If you're part of a team that's launched a cool project or are simply a fan of one, we'd love to hear from you. You can find our new submission form linked in the written edition of this episode. Once again, I'm your host, Daniel Keys, and we'll see you again next week. Until then, let's keep it spicy. Join us for the live EOS Hot Sauce watch party in the CryptoVoxels metaverse every Saturday at 1600 UTC. The party continues after the show with a live Discord audio chat. Discuss the latest news and developments, and claim a new limited edition Spicy Rare NFT every week. Smash the bell so you don't miss the next race for the #1 mint. See you on Saturdays. Until then, keep it spicy.